Hi, I'm Tinted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing for you today, and this is, I think it's from Soulspellsociety. They stopped doing their boxes, but this, I believe, was a special order that they were doing, like a one-time special box. So, I don't know if this is September or October. I'm going to assume it's October's. So, this is what it looks like. Is it backwards? Oh, yeah, sorry. They put the sticker on backwards. Here's the box opens this way, yeah. So, I'm hoping... I love this box when... I used to get the monthly, and I hated that they stopped, so. Yes, this is October's, because it's a special one. This is what it looks like, and it's the veil is the special. So I'm excited. So the theme is the veil. So, October. Contains spoilers, so I'll read that last. And then we have the cute little wax melt there. Alright, so first thing on top is we have a thick board. I got two on accident, it looks like. So I'll send one back. I don't think they wanted to give me two. It's kind of stuck together there. Looks like a pendulum board. And that's the back. Very nice. All right. Got some of this. All right, where to start? All right. Like I said, it's been a while since I got these, so I'm pretty excited. All right, so the next item I grabbed here is Dream Walker. I know my lighting's terrible in here, so... Lucid Dreaming Fabric Mist. Ooh. Could definitely use this. And then we got, let me put this in there. Okay. A little sticker on the back. Looks like something we had to, ooh. That's the bottom. It's like an abalone shell in here. Oh, it's a crescent moon incense. This is really cute with the abalone. Very pretty. Let me screw this together. And it has it all around. And on the moon. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it's a candle holder, I think. Very pretty. That is gorgeous. I like that a lot. And we have a couple more things in here, so this is the next thing. I wish they would bring this box back monthly. It was really a great box. If you want, you go back into my history. I'm sure you'll find a few of them. All right. Oh, ritual matches. That's cute. And then the bottom. That's really, really cute. Nice. Ooh. We got a spoon here with a dragonfly. It's like aged bronze. Very cool. Then we got whatever this is here. Looks like it might be a tumblestone maybe, or a skull. It's probably a mini skull. That would make sense for the veil. Let's see. Yes, it's a bloodstone skull. All right, we have a couple more items. This is black box. A sticker there. It's a little heavy too. Oh, sticker on both sides. Ooh. And it's got some weight to it. Oh, we got a scrying mirror. Ooh, sorry, I thought that was stuck in there. So we got a cool scrying mirror. It's pretty thick too. Really cool. It's very good for, it's like a crystal ball kind of thing. Yes, really cool. Get some answers from spirit. We got another little box here. Ah, that makes sense. We have, oh, okay. We have a pendulum for the pendulum board. It's got a pentacle, silver chain, and it's like a, I don't think it's moonstone, or maybe it is. I can't tell on my lighting. Or it could be quartz with the little quartz ball on top. Really nice. So we got 2 forms of divination in here. We got the scrying, and then we have the pendulum board. Candle holder. And this is info on the pendulum. And this is, oh, witch ball. Magical ornament. What did I drop? I'm gonna drop something. I'll find it. Alright, so we last item in the box is this cute little box here. It says witch ball, magical ornament. Let's see. I'll take the tag off. And we got a plastic, I guess it's a do-it-yourself. You can make your own witch ball. It's got a black candle in here. Oh, yeah. And we got cornflowers. This looks like some labradorite chips, chrysanthemum. We've got some clove, and some, whatever that is. And then you can create your own witch ball. I don't know if that's for the, that doesn't fit in the, that's really cute. All right, and then this is what it says here. Labradorite chips, the moss, oh, that's moss, for revenge and justice. Indian cloves, to keep enemies away. Chrysanthemum wards your home. Butterfly pea, sorry, I thought it was something else. Strength and truth. So I don't know what this is for. This is not supposed to be in there. I guess this is supposed to be for this, but it doesn't really fit good. I guess you'd have to wrap some tinfoil in it. It's really nice. Because it doesn't say that that candle's for this. Nope. All right. Very cool. So that is our box. I like it. For the veil, you have to reach the veil by scrying or divination. Where's my card? Oh, here it is. So let's just go over this beautiful card. All right, Mother of Pearl candle holder, which is absolutely... Oh, I thought it was something else, didn't I? Abalone shell. So this is Mother of Pearl, which is even more nice than the abalone shell. The agate. Oh, this is agate scrying mirror. I thought it would be obsidian because it looks like it says melted agate. So I guess it's black agate. I would think, oh, maybe obsidian's a lot more money. The ones I have at the store are obsidian and they are a little pricey, so I get it. So we got that beautiful thing. We have Dream Walker Lucid Dream Mist. We got the cool ritual matches. The Witch Ball ornament kit. The vintage herb spoon. Not sure why that's put in here though. I mean, it's adorable, but I don't know how it goes with the theme. Anyway, I like it. Then we got the Dragon's Blood Skull Crystal. Oh, it's clear quartz pendulum and the pendulum board. So it says clear quartz. And I love this pendulum. It's nice and long. And then the pendulum board. So it doesn't say anything about, of course, the candle. So I'm assuming they put the candle in here for this. So when you do your scrying, you have a candle. Because you would need a candle lit to scry. So that is very, very, very cool. I'm glad I got this. Yes. What do you guys think? I like this box a lot. Really, really nice. I hope they put out maybe more Sabbath boxes at least. Because this was really cool. I like it. Again, let me know what you guys think. I'll leave the information about this box in the description below. And we're in October. Yes. Happy Samhain.